Hi all. Today I am going to describe about the clinical research process. First of all, the what is clinical research? Clinical research is the branch of medical science that determines the safety and efficacy of the drug or new treatment. The clinical studies are designed to follow the methodologic planning process where the concept established in laboratory and in animal testing will be challenged in the human metabolism. So, trial is a trial to examine the mechanism and effectiveness and safety of drug. And the clinical trial is also the process of the carefully examine the safety of drug to provide all necessary guidance to healthcare professional who will use the drug. And newly developed drugs are not immediately used in hospital and pharmacies. After the drug is conceptually designed, it is first tested on animal to test its effects and side effect. After confirming the safety of the drug, the clinical trial are conducted to test the effect of drug on humans. And clinical trials are divided into the phases from phase 1 through the phase 3 trial. And after the submitting of the NDA application to the health authority to obtain the market license, it generally takes the 5 years or more for a new drug to pass through all the trials. Let's take that closer look to each stage of clinical trial development and until the new drug application is submitted to health authority. The phase 1 clinical trial include the phase 1 clinical trial is the new drug is administered in the various doses to healthy volunteer to identify the pharmacodynamic, pharmacokinetic, and safety tolerability of drug. And also we identify the dose and effects, also known as the adverse reaction. The purpose of the phase 1 clinical trial is to investigate whether the effects there were confirmed in the animal experimental phase will also appear in the human body, and whether side effect will occur and which the dose in phase 1 in addition to the safety efficacy, how the drug is absorbed, transformed, also known as the metabolized, and finally excreted from the body is carefully examined. And phase 2 clinical trial include the development is divided into two phases, but this time the drug is administered to patient rather than the healthy volunteer. The purpose of the first phase, also known as phase 2A, is the test the safety and efficacy of the drug with the help of doses of patients who are eligible for the drug. And phase 2 we also identify the uh, uh, efficacy of the drug and optimal dosage and minimum adverse effects we identify. And phase 3 clinical trial include in phase 3 clinical trial a larger number of patients with the target medical condition are monitored and to cooperate in order to investigate the effectiveness of drug and confirm the effectiveness in comparison with the established therapeutic approach. This phase is characterized by checking the safety and effectiveness of the drug and as well as compare it to the drugs that have been approved. Thank you. That's all about clinical research process.